Hello guys, my name is Tori and we're gonna test out a new camera angle. Bueno, today I have my rolling and minimalistic project pan. I start in order. There are 15 products and I changed it up a bit. So I'm just gonna start, and then when we get to the part I changed, I'll explain. Oh. The number of products I used up in this project so far will be listed down below, along with the current list of products. If you want to see what the OG products are, click the eye in the sky. So the first product is a Rimmel Stay Matte Pressed Powder. This is a lot of pan. I fear that I'm going to use this up before the end of the month, so I already picked a product. Normally I just pick it and just, you know, show you what I picked, but I already have some items picked. So I picked the Cover FX translucent powder because after tomorrow I will no longer need this buddy in my collection, so I can use him up. Next is a NYX pot concealer. It's a full coverage concealer in O2 Fair. It looks the same as last time. I have not reached for this a lot since it is summertime now, but it's fine. So we gotta talk about this next product a little bit. So last update, I finished Benefit Air Patrol. Fun fact about that little guy, I called him little even though, you know, it's a long tube. My NYX glitter primer has more product in it than that thing did. So total waste of fucking money. But you know, I already spent the money, already used it up, so whatever. So I put in the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil and Yogurt. I finished that up. So I moved on to the LA Colors Chunky Eye Pencil. I should be putting up photos for reference, but this will probably be done by the next one. I don't have anything picked for this yet, so you'll find out in the next update what I picked when I use this up. Next, I'm like so excited. So next is the NARS Duo. I am only focusing on Orgasm because I finished up Laguna. So that's how much is left in Orgasm. The only reason there is still stuff left in this is because I need this color for tomorrow. So I'm obviously gonna finish it. So I picked up a next product, which is gonna be the Tarte Exposed Blush. I picked this color because I love this color and this shade. I look great in mauves. But if you can tell, there's kind of like a weird texture thing going on. It gets really bad hard pan. So it was fun. I scratched that off a long time ago, and so far it hasn't come back. So we're praying it doesn't come back because it's annoying. Next is the Tarte Exposed Highlighter. No, I don't hate Exposed. I just hate this highlighter. It's very glittery. I'm not into glitter type of highlights. I'm into nice highlights, and I don't define this as a nice highlight on me. So, next is the e.l.f. Eyebrow Kit in Light. I'm only focusing on the powder, and yeah. There's been steady and slow progress with this one. It doesn't piss me off because I do use it. So I'm not worried about this dude. This dude, he's fine. This dude, on the other hand, I hate. So this is a Smashbox Full Exposure Little Palette. So, little story time. This is what it looks like. I finished up the cream shade. I got a story time about that one. I have pan in the tan and the white. So I expanded that pan. So this buddy, I hit pan in it. I had just a corner left, and this, I'm pretty sure I stated it in one of the previous videos, but I can't quite remember off the top of my head. This buddy wasn't glued in. So I went to tap out the part that broke off, and the whole pan fell in the trash. And I don't care about a tan eyeshadow that I have multiples of, so I did not go picking in the trash for it. So now I'm stuck with these. It's gonna suck. I still haven't touched this. I have touched the brown. The brown has a nice dent, which you can kind of tell on camera. This gray is gonna be the death of me. I wore it today though for like the first time in like 5 months. I don't know. I don't touch gray. And then this brown also sucks because it has a lot of hard pan. And I do try to use this brown, but like you can't even tell. You can't even tell that I used it. So like, fine. It's so fine. Next is Rimmel Scandalized. I have a feeling this will be done soon. And by soon, I mean hopefully within this next month. I'm not concerned with mascara. I use up mascara now every 3 months. I've gotten in a nice rotation of using it up every 3 months, which is good and consistent. So I hope it stays the same. So on to the fun stuff. So, and by fun stuff, I mean lip products. I had the Kat Von D Mother Bullet Mini. But you'll see in my empties video, I had a little fun at the end. So, I picked the Milk Little Mini Lip Color in Gnarly. I was looking at my Sephora purchase dates and I realized that, you know, this buddy's getting a little old, so I gotta, you know, use it up, because considering it's only 0.04 ounces of product, which is only 1 gram, your girl should be able to use it up. So, I need to use it up. Next is Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. I make consistent progress with this. I'm not that worried. I have a nude on today, but it's not this one. But I literally have 1 warm tone nude I'm trying to use up and 1 cool tone nude. So I just go back and forth on which one I want to wear. It's very fun. Next, I'm pretty sure this was in the last update. L'Oreal 444 Tropical Coral. I need to use this more. That is 100%. I need to use this more. I've gotten rid of the L'Oreal, so it no longer says L'Oreal at the top there. So that's some progress. Next, I stopped working on Mac Candy Yum Yum. I was just getting sick of it and I didn't reach for it for a month and a half. So the 12th I stopped, and instead I put in this little mini from Urban Decay, and it's Venom. This is how much I have left currently. I need to, like the milk, use it up. It doesn't say how much ounces or grams it's on here, but I need to use it up. I need to get it out because, like, these are fun shades, but I don't reach for them. My fun shades are dark purples, not metallic purples. So, normally I would be showing you eyeshadow palettes right now, but I'm no longer including them in this pan. I am starting a pan those eyeshadows, and the video will be up after this one. So, for number 13, I now have the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Poreless Primer. I do actually really like this primer. I can't really tell where it is because the product is clear and I store it on its side, so it gets a little janky. But it doesn't have a lot of product in it, so this might kind of end up being a gimme, but either way I want it on my collection, so that doesn't really matter. Next is the Too Faced. This is a mini chocolate soleil bronzer. I'm pretty sure this was a 100-point perk thing, but yeah, I want this out. I mean, I'm gonna enjoy it, but I have some other stuff I want to focus on, so I would prefer to have this out. And number 15, the last new product, is a Jordana Easy Line Jet Black eyeliner. So we're gonna... I forgot. This is also kind of a gimme. This is how much I have left. Ta-da! That's how much I have left, but oh shit. Besides for today, I normally don't wear a lot of eyeliner, but now that I put an eyeliner in it, when I finish it up, that means I'm gonna put another eyeliner in it. Literally, when I was thinking of 3 other products to put in, I wanted to grab stuff where once I use that up, I have stuff to follow back that's the same type of makeup product. So, and plus, I use, whenever I wear foundation, I use that primer every day, and then whenever I get glam, I use that eyeliner. So this is just encouraging me to use it more, because I need to get a lot of the old makeup out of my collection, because I do have a little bit of an addiction, so I got to go through. That is where I'm at currently. I'm very excited to see how this looks next month. Considering I already pulled in some new stuff, let's see if I finish up the actual first product and I'm not a lazy little bitch. Oops. Sorry. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz if you enjoyed. And peace out, Girl Scout.